Children, here exercise 4.3 topic is pair of linear equation in two variables. Second question this is. Rahim travels 600 kilometers to his home partly by train and partly by car. It takes 8 hours if he travels 120 kilometers by train and rest by car. He takes 20 minutes more if the travels 200 kilometers by train and rest by car. Find the speed of the train and the car. This is the question, Nana. This verbal information we have to convert as pair of linear equations. Then find their solutions. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, we are going to first of all roughly I am going to explain. Listen here. First of all, he says Rahim travels 600 kilometers. Total distance they are going to travel, that Rahim going to travel 600 kilometers. Okay, is it clear? Right. In the 600 kilometers, sir, he travels by train and partly by car. It takes 8 hours time, total time taken 8 hours. How? If he travels 120 kilometers by train. By train, he is traveling 120 kilometers. Okay, this is distance by train. The remaining he said rest by car. Rest by car means remaining is 480 kilometers. That 480 kilometers he travels by car. Is it clear, Nana? And he total taken time. The total time he taken, how much means 8 hours he taken. Okay. We have the time is there and distance covered is there. Time, distance. We need the speeds. Speed of train, speed of car. Speed of train I don't know, that is speed is equal to x, I am taking x kilometer per hour, and also this is a train speed, and car speed also just I am assuming as y kilometers. These are the variables for our question. Speed of train, speed of car. We have to find these x and y for this question. But combination of time, distance, speed, what is the formula? We know already. Distance is equal to speed into time. Is it clear? If speed we need means speed is equal to distance by time. If time means we know that distance by speed. First of all, recall these formulas and start the problem. Is it clear, Nana? Right. First I am going to assuming as the speed of train. Let the speed of train is equal to I am taking as x kilometer per hour. Is it clear, Nana? This is the speed of train. Next, we need to the speed of car and the speed of car. Okay, right, Nana. We don't know these information. So speed of train x and speed of car is equal to be taken as y kilometers. Here two cases are there. First, this total 600 kilometers, 120 kilometers by train, are remaining it traveled by car. This is the case 1. Okay. Then first, Rahim travels 120 kilometers by train. So that I am going to take the distance is equal to 120 kilometers given, Nana, and speed of the train we assumed as x. Speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. Clear, Nana? So I am going to take as the time. We know the formula time is equal to distance by speed. That's why we get time is equal to, here distance is 120 kilometers by speed is equal to x. Is it clear now? Okay, this is the time taken for by traveling train. Okay, and next Rahim travels remaining 480 kilometers by car, so that here distance is equal to 480 kilometers and speed of car is equal to y kilometer per hour, so the time is equal to distance by speed. So time is equal to, we have to write 480 by y. This is the time taken when he traveled by car. The total time given by train and car, how much time taken? It takes 8 hours. He taken time by train and car is 8 hours. So that this is the time taken by train, that is 120 by x plus the time taken by car is equal to 480 by y. This total is equal to how much time taken? 8 hours. We treated it. This is the first equation. Is it clear now? Right. Next case second. Now Rahim travels 200 kilometers by train, so that here distance is equal to how much? 200 kilometers. At the speed of a train already we assumed as here x kilometers, x kilometer per hour, and formula time is equal to distance by speed, that is equal to distance by speed and 200 by x. Okay, is it clear? Okay, again travels by car. How much? 400 kilometers he traveled by car, so that here distance is equal to 400 kilometers and speed is equal to y kilometer. Car speed is y kilometer per hour. So the time is equal to distance by speed. Therefore, time is equal to, we get distance is 400 kilometers by speed is equal to y kilometers. So that like a case 1, the total time taken for this journey 20 minutes more than the previous time. That is, previous time is 8 hours. Means he says 8 hours 20 minutes for this second case journey. Clear then? How much you taken time by train and car in 8 hours 20 minutes. So that the time taken by train is equal to 200 by x plus, and this is 400 by y. This total is equal to 8 hours 20 minutes. Okay, so we had to write as 200 by x plus 400 by y, but this 8 hours 20 minutes, this is hours, this is minutes. This minutes also we have to convert as like a hours. How? 8 hours, okay Nana. 20 minutes, if we convert as hours, per hour is equal to 60 minutes. That's why 20 by 60. So that this minutes also we have to, we converted as hours. So 21s are 23s. Then we get 200 by x plus 400 by y is equal to 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 3. Is it clear, Nana? If we multiply it by 5 table, 5 40 is a 5 8 is a 5 8 is a 40, 5 5 is a 25. Again it will be go by 5 table, but if we go through by the elimination method, we need either x coefficients are same or y coefficients are same. Here 120 is there, here 40 is there. 40 how to convert as 120? If we multiply this equation 3 table means 340 is a 120. That's why multiply by 3 on both sides. If we multiply by 3, what we get? 340 is this is 120 by x plus 3 8s are 240, 380 is that is y. Here 3 into 5 by 3, that 3 cancel, we get 5. This we treated as the second equation. Now this is the first equation, this is the second equation. If you check Nana once, what should we do? If you go by elimination method, we have to get the value of x. That's why I subtract this second equation from first equation. Okay, your first equation is 120 by x plus 480 by y is equal to 8. In this 120 by x plus 240 by y, that is equal to 5. If we subtract, the symbols will be changed here. How change? Only this down equation only you check here. Plus means you have to write minus, plus means minus, plus means just take the opposite signal signs. Okay, these two are cancel, means plus 120 by x minus 120 by x. And the denominators are same, that's why we same LCM we get. That's why 480 minus 240, we get again 240 by y. Here 8 minus 5, we get 3. Yeah. So do the cross multiplication. 3y is equal to 240. When I cancel 3 ones are 380s are. 3 ones are 380s are. So what Nana? Here we got y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 80. If we get y is equal to 80, we have to find out that x value. How to find x value? This y is equal to 80, substitute either first equation or second equation. If I am substituting the second equation, substitute in equation second. When I substitute in second equation, that is 120 by x plus 240 by y means 80 is equal to 5. Sir, here 0 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8 3s are. So what? 120 by x is equal to 5 minus 3 plus 3, shift that side. So 120 by x is equal to 2. If you do the cross multiplication, 2x is equal to 120. Then x is equal to 120 by 2. If we cut, x is equal to 60. Okay, x means what, Nana? Speed of train. Therefore, speed of train is equal to, that is 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. Clear? Next, speed of car. What is the Nana speed of a car? 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers per hour. Is it understand, Nana? Okay. Check once and note down and practice it.